In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a super like on TikTok. Okay, so a super like is kind of like a hidden feature on TikTok, and apparently TikTok gives more weight to the super like, so you'll have more of a chance to land on the For You page if you get a lot of super likes. Now, we all know about a regular like on TikTok. You can either tap on the heart to go ahead and like the TikTok, or you can go ahead and double tap to also like the TikTok. So to do a super like, all you need to do is tap down repeatedly on the screen and you'll see a flurry of hearts on the screen. So that is pretty cool. Now this also works for live streams. So if I go ahead and find a live stream. Okay, so I'm on a live stream right now and you can do the same process and you're going to get a bunch of likes and a whole bunch of emojis as well. And that would be how you use that feature within a live stream. So that is how you can use the hidden super likes feature on TikTok to give your favorite creators a boost, and hopefully you can get some super likes on your TikToks. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care.